this is how it looks. Now if you pull it and explosion, and there is one note inside it. You just need an A4 paper to make this. No cutting, no taping and no gluing. To make a paper exploding envelope, you need an A4 paper. I am using a white color, so at last I can design it. So let's start by folding it vertically in half. Make it sharp to make a visible crease. Now we have to fold the corners to the middle crease. All 4 corners to be folded. Make sure these points are pointed. Now you have to keep your paper like this and fold it in half so these 2 edges meet at one point. Like this. So you see there are 2 corners pointing out. Now unfold, fold these 2 edges to the center crease. Now turn over. Now you have to fold this edge down so it aligns with this edge and make it sharp. And now do the same with this side. Now turn over. Now you would see we have 2 pocket-like flaps. Now we have to fold this flap over here so it aligns with this edge and it stops going. Now unfold and open this flap pocket and just tuck it inside, flatten and do the same with this side. Fold it up and open the pocket and just tuck it inside. And here is your exploding envelope. Just try to pull it, and it's not, if it is facing difficulty to come out, you can unfold these 2 flaps and just fold them a bit back like this. First you see we had completely folded it. Just now you have to just leave a bit space and then fold. Now tuck it inside. Now I'll show a simpler way how to do the same with this edge. You just can pull out this flap and make it sharp. Now you see it would explode. And what's cool, that it can also behave like a flasher and come. And this, if it is not working, you just have to fold it again. this edge is really sharp, like this, and explode. Now you see it works like a flasher and it has turned back and just like it was folded. And here is your exploding envelope. Friends, I have decorated these envelopes to show you some designs that you can make with these envelopes, and you can use them as cards for any occasion. I'm sure you are going to use this envelope for many occasions. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.